grounds remembers. Mount Binuaya rises in Barangay Maratuton, Cabugao, Ilocos, quiet, steady, and enduring, like the people who once stood upon it. In January 1900, during the Philippine-American War, ordinary Ilocanos chose sacrifice over safety. They were not soldiers, but people of Cabugao, rooted, resilient, and deeply bound to the community. When American forces advanced in pursuit of General Emilio Aguinaldo, they offered themselves as a living shield so others might move for war. This piece is an act of remembering. It embodies the true spirit of Cabugao: quiet courage, deep love for community, strength without display, and an unshakable sense of duty to others. Their courage was quiet, their resistance grounded in love for land and fellow Filipino. As the story unfolds, the people no longer stand apart from the mountain, they become it. Their bodies carry the weight of soil, wind, and memory. Those who fell did not vanish, they transformed. They sacrificed rooted itself into the earth, shaping Mount Binuaya as a living witness of devotion and resistance. This is not a tale of victory or defeat. This is a memory that stands. This is a people who became land. Na kami, Binuaya, saan ang mapukaw? Saan ang mapukaw? Ladies and gentlemen, let's welcome the Ayib Cultural Troupe.
Thank